Okay, welcome students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher Glean. Now let's review what we have learned last week, okay? Let's review about your school. Let's start. I will say the words, you listen, and you repeat after me, okay? About your school. So these are question and then answer, okay? What do you do? I am a student, okay? What grade are you in? What grade are you in? I am in grade 2 or 3, section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can choose from there. Then what subject is this? This is English subject. Okay, next question is number 4. Who is your foreign English teacher? My foreign English teacher is Mr. Glean. Okay, number 5. Who is your Thai English teacher? My Thai English teacher is Miss Net. Okay, where do you study? I study at Wat Phrapathom Chedi School. Okay, now we have learned about yourself, okay? And then we have learned about your school. Now we will introduce, you will introduce yourself and your school, okay? Okay, I give you an example here. You can make a video and you can send it to me, okay? I am, then you tell your name. My surname is your last name, okay? My nickname is, okay, this is your nickname, okay? Then I am 8, 9, 10 years old, okay? I live in Nakhon Pathom. Okay, so about your school, I am a student. I am in grade 2, section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you can say, I am in grade 3, section 1 to 7. This is English subject. My foreign English teacher is Mr. Glean. My Thai English teacher is Miss Net. I study at Wat Phrapathom Chedi School. So you can do a video out of this, okay? Now, today let's learn about your family. Okay, about your family. So in order for us to learn about your family, we need to know the members of the family. Okay, so you have the members of the family. Who are the members of the family? So you have number 1, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. So this is the father. Number 2, mother. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. So this is the mother. Brother. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Okay, so this is the big brother. Okay. Number 4, sister. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. So now this is the sister. Okay. Now you have also baby boy or baby brother. Okay. B-A-B-Y-B-O-Y, baby boy or baby brother. Okay. Now you have also the baby girl. B-A-B-Y-G-I-R-L, baby girl or baby sister. Okay, so you have the baby sister. Okay, now let's learn a family song. Okay, a family song. Okay, let's read first. When father in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. When father in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. So after this, then you will insert this, change this into mother, brother, sister, and baby. Okay, let's have a song, okay? I will teach you the action as well, okay? Okay, so this is the father, this is the mother, this is the brother, this is the sister, and this is the baby. Okay? So when we sing, when father in the family, happy, happy home, happy, happy home, happy, happy home, when father in the family, happy, happy home, happy, happy home. Mother, when mother in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. When mother in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Brother, when brother in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. When brother in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Sister, when sister in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. When sister in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Baby, when baby in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. When baby in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Okay, very good. So you just rewatch or replay this video, okay, for you to know the song. Okay, now let's have the question and answer, okay? You will answer these questions, okay? Number one, what's the name of your father? What's the name of your father? Okay, the answer is, my father's name is, then you will tell the name of your father. Okay. What's the name of your mother? So you will tell the name of your mother. My mother's name is, okay. Then number three question. How many how many are you in the family? So how many are you in the family? You have the father, the mother. If you have the brother or sister, then you can count it, okay? So the answer is, we are 3, 4, 5, or 6, or 7. It's up to the number of your member of your family. Okay, so you have there 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's repeat. What's the name of your father? My father's name is, okay, that's good. What's the name of your mother? My mother's name is, okay, good. How many are you in the family? We are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can choose there, okay? So you can make a video out of this and then send it to me. And I will comment on your video. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Goodbye. See you again.